Hello, my name is Tawang Biru. I am in 4th grade at Amore Prime School. Recently this year, there has been a virus pandemic called coronavirus or SARS-CoV-2. This disease is called COVID-19 or coronavirus disease 2019 because it was found in 2019. How do you kill coronavirus? One of the ways is using 70% alcohol. 70% alcohol can kill coronavirus in less than 30 seconds. Some of the examples of 70% alcohol can be found in hand sanitizers and antiseptic pumps. But the thing is, they are now rare because people are trying to find them and buying a lot. That is called panic buying. However, there's an alternate chemical that also kills the coronavirus. That chemical is called natrium hypochlorite. 0.5% natrium hypochlorite can kill coronavirus in less than 30 seconds. You can find natrium hypochlorite in bleach. But how do you make natrium chloride as a disinfectant? The ingredients are bleach, which contains 5.25% of natrium hypochlorite, and 905 milliliters of water. If we want to make it, we have to use safety gear, such as safety glasses and gloves. How to make 0.5% natrium hypochlorite? You need 95 milliliters of natrium chloride from the bleach and add it to 905 milliliters of water. Close it and shake well. Now, this disinfectant should be ready. Now we can use this disinfectant to spray bike handles and door handles and anything else that we frequently touch. We have to spray it twice a day. And this is how you spray your door handle or bike handles. And this This is how you spray by candles. With this disinfectant, we can kill coronavirus. But the important thing is that we wash our hands frequently. Thank you and stay healthy.